Recently, some acorn woodpecker drinking buddies have been showing up at this little bird bath. We have 2 of them, but these are cautious sippers, exclusively using this one, which is mounted higher. It was a funny sight one day to see 4 of them evenly spaced around the bowl, bobbing for water like Albert drinking ducks. While most birds sit on top of the rim to drink, this species seems to prefer hanging vertically on the sides. Well, except for when they use the bird bath for actual bathing.